Yes, my dear friends, in this lesson we will learn how to create our own spacious characters. First of all, each text field on our LCD screen consists of 5 columns and 8 rows. We can manipulate these columns and rows and create special characters. Let's find out how we can do it now. So let's get started. Firstly, we will perform each operation over the byte data type. And as you can see, here is the byte array. And also there is a web page we can use here. I will add this web page to the resources section. If you want to create a special character, we have to choose our character from the green area you see here. So here is the green area. If I choose any squares, as you can see, our data type is changing. So let's make a smiley face now. So here is the clear button. Let's click this. And also let's choose 2 eyes. And also smiley face. And as you can see, here is our special characters. And as you can see, here is the byte type variable. So now let's copy this. And then let's open the Arduino IDE. And also let's move to the top and let's paste it here. So here is our special character. And also let's include our I2C LCD screen library. So let's write include liquid crystal underscores I2C dot h. And also let's call our liquid crystal class. So I will copy this and let's paste it here. And also let's define a name to our class. For example, let's set it as LCD and also open and close parentheses, and let's put a semicolon, and let's move inside of our parentheses. As you remember, our first parameter will be our LCD screen address. So my LCD screen address is 0x27 and put a comma. And our second parameter will be our number of columns. So I will define as 16. And also the third parameter will be the number of rows. So let's set it as value 2. And also let's move to the void setup function. Let's delete this comment. And also let's call our begin function. So I will write lcd.begin and also open and close parentheses and put a semicolon. And then we will learn a new function here, and also we can call it as method. So our new function name is createChar. Let's call our createChar method lcd.createChar and also open and close parentheses, and then let's put a semicolon. And let's move inside of our parentheses. We will enter 2 different parameters here. Our first parameter will be the ID number. So thanks to this ID number, we will able to print our special character. For example, let's define as value 0 and also put a comma, and our second parameter will be our byte variable name. So our byte variable name is custom char. So let's write here custom char. And also let's move to a new line and let's call our setCursor function. So let's write here lcd.setCursor and also open and close parentheses and put a semicolon, and let's move inside of parentheses. Let's define as beginning point, so 0, 0. And then let's move to a new line and we will learn a new function here too. Our function name is write function. With this function, we can show the data in our ID number on our LCD screen. So let's write here lcd.write open and close parentheses and also put a semicolon, and let's move inside of our parentheses. We will define a one parameter here. So the parameter will be the ID number. As you remember, our ID number is 0. So I will write here 0. If we do something like this, we get the result we want. So now let's verify our code. Let the name be, for example, char, and also let's save this file. And as you can see here, we didn't get any error. So now let's upload our code to the Arduino board. Alright, we are done. So now I will share my camera with you. And as you can see here, we have successfully created our custom character. Yes, my dear friend, we learned how to create our special character in this lesson. Let's continue with our next lesson.